Welcome to my review of Yola, a popular website builder that promises an easy-to-use platform with the tools you need to create your dream website. Yola has made a name for itself with its user-friendly interface. But how does it stack up against other website builders, like Wix or Squarespace? Let's find out. First, when you sign up for Yola, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard. You can start building your website right away. And there's no need to have coding skills to make your site look professional. You get access to a variety of pre-designed templates, which you can customize to suit your style. The templates cover a range of categories, from business websites to personal blogs, making it easy to get started with your desired design. Point one thing I appreciate about Yola is how easy it is to use their drag-and-drop editor. It's responsive and allows you to move elements around without hassle. If you've ever used a website builder before, you'll feel right at home with Yola's layout options. In terms of features, Yola offers some solid tools, like e-commerce capabilities, blog integration, and SEO options to help your site rank better in search engines. They also provide a mobile-friendly option, ensuring your site will look great on both desktop and mobile devices. However, some features are only available on higher-tier pricing plans, so that's something to keep in mind as you explore your options. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, let's talk about pricing. Yola offers several pricing plans that cater to different needs. The basic plan is quite affordable, but the more advanced features, such as e-commerce tools, are only available with the higher-tier plans. The prices are competitive compared to other website builders, but you may find that the functionality you want is locked behind the more expensive options. Customer support with Yola has been generally good in my experience. They offer 24/7 support by email, and you can also access their help center, which includes video tutorials and articles to help you with the building process. In conclusion, Yola is a solid choice if you're looking for an easy-to-use website builder that offers a range of templates and features for creating a website without needing coding skills. However, keep in mind that some of the more advanced features come with a higher price tag. If you're on a budget or just starting out, Yola could be a good option. But if you need more advanced customization and tools, you might want to consider other options as well. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews of website builders.